Hi guys, it's Steve Powell, PTA Global UK faculty, ViPR National Trainer. I've just completed my workout for the day and just thought I'd share with you a couple of combinations, outdoor workout, just combining some athletic movements with the ViPR and also some bodyweight ground-based exercise as part of the circuit. So in terms of acute variables, 20 to 30 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. Have a look, see what you think, give them a go. Speak to you soon. So this is a ViPR lateral ice skater, so looking to transition as quick as possible from one foot to the other. Then we're straight into a forward and back travelling ape form from Animal Flow. ViPR lateral shuffle with lateral tilt and an alternating handprint. So here we're into a forward and back travelling beast position from Animal Flow. This is a big thanks to Mike Fitch. So now we're into a multiplanar ViPR jump or jump to hop with alternating multi-directional ViPR reaches. Again from Animal Flow we have some alternating side switches with jump kick-throughs. And to finish, some power plate massage to end the workout.